Sphericall. What's important to you? What matters most to you is what matters most to us. If an easy-to-use communications environment is important, we have the answer. If growing your business is important, we can help pave the way. If the bottom line is important, we can cut your costs. If better orchestrating your life is important, we can ease your stress. If sleeping soundly is important, we're more effective than counting sheep. NEC has an advanced unified communication solution that can meet all of these needs and more. It's called Sphericall. Sphericall is a pure IP software-based alternative to traditional telephony systems. Sphericall seamlessly integrates your communications and business applications to create a unified communications environment that is easy to install, learn, use, and manage. Can grow with your business and help your business grow. Lowers your communications costs. Provides features to better manage your life. And provide peace of mind. We invite you to learn more about Sphericall. Just click below on what matters most to you. Is growing your business important to you? Sphericall can grow with your business and help your business to grow. With Sphericall, your business's growth will never be hindered again by the need for large investments in time and equipment, just so your communication system can keep up. Growth planning is easier because Sphericall can grow to tens of thousands of users. Your communication system can grow one license at a time or 1,000 at a time. And by simply using off-the-shelf industry-standard components from your local electronics store, no proprietary hardware is needed. One off-the-shelf Sphericall server can handle up to 3,000 users with additional growth and redundancy, as simple as adding another server. Sphericall can improve your competitive advantage both internally and externally. Internally, Sphericall improves business process flow and unifies all business communications. Employees use Sphericall's many features to get their work done faster and better. If you have a call center or plan to add one, call management improves because you can easily route calls between centers to balance peaks in volume. Externally, you appear more seamless and responsive to your customers. New offices and acquisitions can be quickly integrated into your centrally managed system, often in just hours. If growing your business is important to you, we can help pave the way. Is orchestrating your life important to you? Sphericall has an impressive set of unified communications tools to help you manage your life better. You're traveling, and you want to be sure that your most important client can reach you. You're in a meeting, and you want your boss to be able to text you. You just left the office, and your son wants you to know that he's done with soccer and ready to be picked up. With NEC's innovative family of unified communications applications, we can make it happen. NEC's approach puts you at the center of all communications and allows you to determine how best to get information to others and how information gets to you. It's all about how you want to communicate and what matters most to you. Sphericall's applications that help you orchestrate your life better include unified messaging. You can send and receive voice, text, fax, and email messaging from one place. Presence. You can allow people to know your availability, give them better choices on how to contact you, and easily have your calls follow you when away from your desk. Prioritization. You can make sure important callers such as VIP customers, bosses, and family members always get through to you. Collaboration. You can communicate using video, not only on your computer, but also on your desktop telephone, if that is what you prefer. Or you may need to bring in multiple people to collaborate on conference calls. Personalization. You can streamline your communications throughout the day with click-to-dial call setup for those numbers that you call most frequently. Drag and drop conferencing to easily get everyone talking, or video conferencing together. Smart directories that can be extended to your desk phone or your soft phone so you can work from home or by the pool. Of course, Outlook integration is also available if you tend to work most of the day in email. Plus so much more. If orchestrating your life is important to you, we can ease your stress. Is sleeping soundly at night important to you? Sphericall provides peace of mind. Reliable and safe networks are critical to your business's success. Sphericall is used by government organizations who demand the strictest of security measures. We know this is a priority for every business, so we have incorporated this focus into all of our products. With Sphericall, you receive the highest levels of redundancy, failover, and system security. Because of NEC's innovative software architecture, full business continuity is a given. Worried about redundancy, load balancing, and complete database replication? You can easily run backup servers of the core Sphericall software at no additional cost to your business. Lose one server, another takes over. Easy. With Sphericall, the days of being strapped to one manufacturer, proprietary hardware platforms, and end-to-end solutions are a thing of the past. You decide how to grow, what to add, and what telephones or not to use. Finally, a peaceful night's sleep. If sleeping soundly is important to you, we're more effective than counting sheep. Is an easy-to-use communications environment important to you? Sphericall is simply the easiest unified communication solution on the market. Sphericall is easy to install, learn, use, and manage. It is also easy to add new features, new equipment, and more stations. Moves, adds, and changes are just drag and drop. The 100% software-based platform ensures an intuitive communications environment. Your employees will learn the system quickly with little or no disruption to your business. Updates and upgrades are quick and easy through the software delivery model, keeping your system completely up to date. With familiar graphics and icons, the interface is simple for anyone to understand and learn quickly. Sphericall is a single license per user system with everything in one integrated software application. The software is administered centrally from a single database. Your communications can be integrated with other business processes and applications, such as CRM and ERP, for optimal workflow. Advanced communications applications, such as unified messaging and presence, are included in the core software package, providing you with the real benefits of IP communications, and not just an alternative connection to the phone. Customizing the application to your business is also easy, so individuals, departments, or offices can set their own rules to enhance personal and group communications. If an easy-to-use communications environment is important to you, we have the answer. Is the bottom line important to you? Sphericall will save you money, guaranteed. Cost savings vary, but some customers tell us they are saving as much as 40 to 50% or more of their total cost of communications system ownership. Sphericall's open standards platform ensures you can load the software to virtually any server and use any industry standard components. There's no middleware and no need to be tied to a single communications vendor. Sphericall has native SIP functionality that allows for standards-based wired and wireless phones. Regardless of the size of your business, you can also keep costs down by utilizing SIP trunking. You can also attach a variety of handsets, from sophisticated high-end display telephones to generic lower-end traditional telephones. There are no hidden costs. Each Sphericall license is only $225, and when you buy a license, you own it for life. With no other costs, system growth with all the benefits of IP and unified communications is easy to plan for and easy to budget. Sphericall's true value, however, is not just telephony, but the increased capabilities and cost-effectiveness that come from integrating your voice, data, and video into a fully integrated system. If the bottom line is important to you, we can cut your costs.
In '97, when I came on board at Serta, we had 7 locations. In the next couple of years, we acquired a couple of other locations, and then in 2003, we brought on 11 locations. We needed to migrate them all into one system as far as ERP, as well as a phone system. Each one came with their own package of a phone system. Supporting it was a nightmare. Trying to do an upgrade across many systems that were all different was a nightmare. Just communicating from plant to plant was a long distance phone call. It just was crazy. We took a phased approach for rolling out the Sphericall system. Again, we inquired about 11, 12, 13 plants in a short time period, and we knew that it was, with our IT staff, it was going to be impossible to just pull the plug and get everything rolled out. So we strategically laid out a plan for basically a week at a time, bringing plants up on the system. So basically anything that was done or needed to be done was done behind the scenes, and then we would visit the plant, go through a little bit of a training session with them, and then we would switch them over to the Sphericall solution. So with Sphericall, we found that it was very easy. Drag and drop features were awesome because it was just a visual, and people are used to doing that with the Windows environment. So that was a big component for us.
So if you can't reach someone by the phone because they might be on the phone, or they might be on a conference or a web conference, or in the middle of something, that texting feature that Sphericall has is very important, because when you really need to get through to someone, that text feature really pops up, and it allows you to have an additional conversation in addition to your phone conversation or web conference or whatever you may be on. So multitasking is pretty incredible.
Since we're such a centralized shop as far as IT is concerned, having a system, a single system that could be centrally managed and centrally implemented, it was huge. It was a gigantic issue for us because, we don't have IT personnel at every edge site. In fact, we only have them here at our group office. So the ability to have a centrally managed system was really one of the paramount decision drivers.
It's really quite interesting because I expected that for a long time we would just see the regular desk sets sitting there and people using those desk sets as they had in the past. And very, very quickly they adapted the use of headsets, wireless headsets and soft phones, and they can initiate phone calls from wherever they're at in the office. I thought it would take a little getting used to with 4-digit dialing. No, that didn't take any time at all. They got used to that very, very quickly from facility to facility as well. So does it save time? Absolutely.
Our main thing was, again, centralization as well as ease of use. We needed things to be easy. We need people to feel comfortable that they can do it. If we put a complicated solution in front of them, they're not going to use it. They're going to find ways to get around it.
Once people started to realize that, the adoption was universal. Everybody came on board with it. They started utilizing the features. People absolutely love the voicemail integration with email. People absolutely love the online presence feature, the ability to send text messages to one another.
When you can communicate with your suppliers, when you can communicate with your customers or dealers or retailers, it really makes you stand apart from the rest. This is very, very much a relationship business, and as such you need to be really in tune with the people that you work with.
Inside the system also being able to do conferencing without going to an outside party. We use that daily. I'd probably say there's 20 to 30 conference calls held every day. And again, we do it within the system, and we don't have to go to an outside party and acquire additional costs to get that taken care of.
We found that the Sphere NEC product actually was more in tune with what we needed as a company, and it was easy to implement and extremely cost effective.